Which is colder, the Antarctic or the Arctic? The Antarctic is colder than the Arctic. This is primarily due to its higher elevation and being a large landmass, covered by a thick ice sheet, which can reach up to 4 kilometers in thickness. The elevation means temperatures drop further, as higher altitudes are colder. Additionally, the Antarctic is surrounded by the Southern Ocean, which isolates it and helps maintain extremely low temperatures. In contrast, the Arctic is an ocean surrounded by continents. The sea ice covering the Arctic is thinner and sits at sea level, which contributes to relatively warmer temperatures compared to Antarctica. Moreover, the Arctic benefits from some heat retention by the surrounding land and water.